What's up guys, welcome to another video. And for this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can use Instagram on your PC or your laptop without downloading or installing any software, any app or extension on your browser or your PC, your laptop. So this is very simple guys. So the only thing you're gonna need for this is your Google Chrome. You're gonna need your Google Chrome for this, so you're gonna have to download your Google Chrome and open, and the next step is log into Instagram. That's the next step. You're gonna have to download the Google Chrome on your PC, your laptop, and log into Instagram. And the next step now is to just click on new tab. After you're done logging in your Instagram account, click on new tab, and when you're done with that, when you click on it, as you can see right here, this is a new tab. So the next thing you're gonna have to do now is click on new tab. The new tab you just opened, you're gonna click on it and don't take your finger off. Just click on it and drag down. That's all you're gonna have to do. Just drag down, and that's it. And right here on this new tab, you can browse wherever you want. You can do whatever you want on this tab, and also use the Instagram, and use the Instagram, and also bring back the new tab and do whatever you want on this. And the coolest part is you can also resize this and use the new tab like your mobile phone, using Instagram or your mobile. You can log in your Instagram on the new tab. So it's very easy guys. So as you can see right here, you can do anything with this. You can do anything just using Google Chrome. You don't need an extension, you don't need nothing for this. So as you can see right here, I'm using the mobile version of Instagram on PC, on laptop. It's very simple guys. So you can also open a new tab and browse wherever you want. You can do whatever you want on one tab and do something else, and just basically anything you want at the same time. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and drop your comments. Thank you.